The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and Galaxy S25 Ultra both have a 5000 mAh battery. So at first it might sound like nothing has changed, but the real difference is not the size of the battery. It is how the Galaxy S26 Ultra uses that battery, how quickly it can recharge, and how well it manages heat during demanding tasks. So in this video, let's take a closer look at what has improved with the Galaxy S26 Ultra battery compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Welcome back to SamMobile TV, you're here with Max. Let's start with the battery capacity. Both phones use a 5000 mAh battery, so Samsung has not increased the physical battery size this year. But battery life is not only about capacity. It also depends on charging speed, processor efficiency, software optimization and heat management. And that is where the Galaxy S26 Ultra brings meaningful improvements. The first big upgrade is wired charging. The Galaxy S25 Ultra supports up to 45-watt wired charging. The Galaxy S26 Ultra increases that to 60-watt wired charging with super fast charging 3.0. With a compatible 60-watt charger, the Galaxy S26 Ultra can reach about 75% in around 30 minutes. And that makes a real difference in everyday use, especially when there's not much time to charge. A short top-up before leaving the house can already bring the phone back to a comfortable battery level for the rest of the day. Wireless charging is also faster this year. The Galaxy S25 Ultra supports up to 15 watts wireless charging. The Galaxy S26 Ultra increases that to 25-watt wireless charging. With a compatible wireless charger, the Galaxy S26 Ultra can reach up to 50% in around 33 minutes. And that is a big step up because wireless charging becomes much more useful during the day. It is not just something for overnight charging anymore. You can place the phone on a wireless charger for a short while and still get a meaningful amount of battery back. To use the full 25-watt wireless charging speed, you need a compatible charger, such as Samsung's Galaxy Magnetic 25-watt wireless charger. Since the Galaxy S26 Ultra does not have built-in magnets, a Qi2 magnetic case helps keep the charger aligned. Another important improvement is efficiency. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, which is built on a 3nm process. In simple terms, that means the processor can do more work while using less power. And that matters because modern phones are doing a lot in the background. The Galaxy S26 Ultra can be handling gaming, video recording, navigation, multitasking, and Galaxy AI features throughout the day. A more efficient chip helps the phone make better use of the same 5000 mAh battery, so even though the battery capacity is the same as before, the Galaxy S26 Ultra gets more out of each charge thanks to the new processor. And heat management has also been improved. The Galaxy S26 Ultra uses the largest vapor chamber Samsung has ever fitted into a Galaxy S Ultra device. It offers up to 21% better heat dissipation than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It helps keep the processor in a more efficient temperature range during demanding tasks like long gaming sessions, extended video recording, or heavy multitasking. And this is important because heat affects both performance and battery behavior. And when a phone gets too hot, it has to slow itself down to control temperatures. Better cooling helps the Galaxy S26 Ultra maintain stronger performance for longer while using power more efficiently. So what do all these improvements add up to? The Galaxy S26 Ultra does not improve battery life simply by using a bigger battery. It improves the overall battery experience through faster wired charging, faster wireless charging, better processor efficiency, and stronger heat management. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is still a very capable phone, but the Galaxy S26 Ultra gives you faster top-ups, more useful wireless charging, and better efficiency during everyday use. So the main takeaway is simple. The battery size is the same, but the Galaxy S26 Ultra uses and refills the battery more effectively. And that is what makes the real difference day to day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.